Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Casey and welcome to my channel, ESL with the Gypsy Soul. So on my channel, I love to share all about teaching online. I work for 5 online companies, so yeah, I know that's kind of crazy. But anyways, sometimes I share about things like this, the Good Fortune box made by teachers for teachers, and it's so cool. So let's jump on in. Yay! This is like my favorite time of month, pretty much. They give you a little thingamajig, and it has all the nice little details of what's in the box. Yeah! So we will go through that as I'm opening the box. And you see, look how nice it looks. It just looks so perfectly wrapped. And these girls, Sam and Rachel, they have over 550 boxes that they do per month. These girls, they came up with this idea and they do all of this work, and it's amazing what they've come up with. It's just so incredible. So yeah, thank you, Sam and Rachel, for everything. And again, I love this sticker. It says created for online teachers by online teachers. Okay, so I just tore into it. I tore it. I've never torn it before. Okay, so first, let's see. The thing that I picked out the first is this t-shirt. Ooh, so you're seeing it before I am. Have a look. What do you think? Ooh, it says Teacher Casey. Yay! So when you get into this subscription, or you could get it just for 1 month, whatever the case is, they let you type in your name. So the name that you prefer to be called, your teacher name. It could be Teacher Casey or Teacher so-and-so, Miss or Mr. so-and-so, Mrs., or just your name. It could be anything, whatever you prefer. So that's really nice that they give you that option to just write that in, and then a lot of times they'll have a cool shirt, and sometimes it'll have your name on it, which is really cool. I love that. Nice. So to go with this t-shirt and the theme is Feng Shui, and it says Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese philosophy that focuses on finding balance and harmony in all aspects of life. This ideology revolves around the 5 elements: wood, water, metal, earth, and fire. Enjoy your personalized t-shirt that highlights the Feng Shui knot. Ooh, let's have a look again, right? Shall we? So there we have it, is that nice Feng Shui knot. Have a look. Cool. And then it says, to extend the life of the shirt, they suggest washing it inside out, of course, which is great. Thank you. That's a great suggestion. Next, we've got these wood Chinese greeting signs. So this set is a great addition to the classroom as either decor or a prop. Each card makes an excellent conversation starter for all ages. Also, having recognizable phrases could help ease the nerves of new students. So these are good for online teachers because a lot of our students are from China. So here we've got, this is hello or ni hao. I'm sorry if I butcher any of this. If you know Mandarin or Chinese, I'm sorry. So this is hello, and then we have welcome. So this is 欢迎. I feel like that's decent pronunciation. And then this is goodbye, or 再见, 再见. I think that's it. 再见. Interesting, because it's a J, but it almost sounds like a T because I just heard the pronunciation, I think. I don't know. At least that's what it sounded like to me. So yeah, but those are cool. Very nice. Awesome. I like that idea of that. Very nice. And then we have this gel mask. So this is water. I like that they do wood, water, metal, earth, fire. So this is the water portion. An eye mask. So place in the fridge, then use this mask to help reduce puffiness and dark circles before classes after feedback or during a nap. It can also be used to help ease headaches, seasonal allergies, or just 2020 as a whole. Yes, 2020 is insane, so this is definitely needed and necessary. Oh, and I get headaches a lot, so this is cool. It says connect, teach, inspire. I like that. Have a look. Yay. That's good for all teachers, I think. I know all teachers have their stresses, and this coming year might be a little crazy. It sounds like it's going to be crazy for everybody. Even crazier, maybe. So, yeah, very cool. This is awesome. I think that would come in handy, absolutely. And then we have Earth. So Earth is a custom China map. What? That's awesome. So Earth, this ultimate extension tool includes provinces, autonomous regions, landforms, and landmarks. So you could find where your students live on the map and build stronger connections by discussing their regions. Ooh, look at that. So cool. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Have a look. All right, so let's see. We have, oh, they're numbered. That's nice. So we have the different regions, provinces, and they're all numbered by region. Cool. And this says teaching across China because that's what we do every day. And the autonomous regions, that's really nice that they all have the numbers. And I love that they have pictures. Like there's a dragon. Looks like maybe a belly. And I know they eat different things in certain areas of China. So yeah, there's the Great Wall. You know that one, right? And there's Buddha. There's a lantern, panda, fan, some lanterns and sheep. Ooh, this is cool. A lot of these I don't know, so that'll take a little bit of time just checking it all out and seeing everything. That's really neat. What a cool map. Wow, I love it. And then we have fire. So fire is, oops, not this. I was getting ahead of myself. Fire is a honeysuckle and jasmine candle. There it is. So this sweet summer scent is quite the self-care treat. It's perfect for lighting on the porch after a long day as the sunlight fades and the fireflies come out and play. Ooh, come out to play. Wow. Smell! It smells amazing. I wish you could smell it because it really smells delightful. I think it's a wonderful candle. Oops! Ah! I just dropped it! Oh no. Ooh, man down! Doing a rescue mission here. Okay, I got it. I think it survived. It's safe. I've got both pieces here and the wick is intact. Yes! Alright. Success! I did it! I don't know. Maybe there's applause on the other end. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. I know, I'm goofy. Anyways, that's it. And then, let's see. And then we have metal. I missed metal somehow. So here, metal. And these are beautiful. These are stainless steel chopsticks. Nice. So it says, let me take them out so you can see them. They're really pretty. And they're like rainbow color. If you move them, you can see they have different colors. That is so cool. So stainless steel chopsticks. Use them during lessons alongside your Chinese food props or take them to the kitchen when that post-class hunger strikes. Who says you can't have lo mein for breakfast? Really, I feel like breakfast is more like lunch because by the time it's like 10 o'clock, I'm hungry. Or 9 o'clock even, I'm like, all right, I'm ready for lunch. Because I usually wake up at like 3:30 or 4 in the morning. So yeah, I'm ready for it. All right, that's awesome. I love those. Those are really cool. And then we have a fortune. So the fortune, are you ready? It's beautiful paper. I saw that they had this on their Instagram, and they had so many beautiful papers that they used to fold these. Really cool. So I want to show you that. I really do appreciate that they do so much work for this. Okay, so this says life is a balance of holding on, letting go, and knowing when to do which of the two, which is really, really true. Absolutely. And you know, things are kind of crazy this year. Not kinda, that's like an understatement, right? It's been one heck of a year, we'll just say that. So yeah. Okay, and then they have a featured teacher every month. So this month is Lydia VQ from Learning Craft. She is so cool. She has YouTube. If you check out Learning Craft on YouTube, she's really neat. She's always doing cool stuff. Anyway, she creates DIY kits that allow you to create your own fun props at home. She's giving all subscribers 20% off in her shop with code all caps fortune until 9/1/2020. So that's September. You have 1 month until. So yeah, and then you get the possibility of being a winner for It says, check inside your cookie for one of the golden fortunes. If you won, show us a picture on social media and get your next box for free. As always, thank you for tagging the good fortune box in your post. Cool. And I didn't win that time, but hey, there's always next time. That's cool though that they're doing that, right? Someone's gonna be a winner, and that's really cool. Congrats, whoever you are. All right, so everybody, thank you. That is the good fortune box. And if you know teachers that are teaching online or that want to teach online, there are many online companies. And hey, you can just check it out. Know that the good fortune box exists and know that it's just really cool. And if you use my code, then you get $5 off per month, which is shipping. You get free shipping. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I really had a fun time, and I'm excited to look at the map more closely and use that candle. So fun. Yay. All good stuff. All right. Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day. I will catch you in the next one. You rock. Bye, everybody.